Hello guys, my name is Vikrant and today I will talk about the Institute Online IT Solution which is provide you training in MSBI and Power BI. So over there Piyush sir is faculty, main faculty. He is very good in that area, particular area. He will teach you lot of thing in MSBI and in Power BI. So if you want do career in those particular technology, I definitely said you will join online IT solution, and it will give it will help you to getting your dream job in dream company. So definitely you can join like from my like in my case, I said in 2017 and 18 I was working with IBM. So over there I was working as a SQL support engineer. So basically it was the support area only. So I was what should next in my career? Like I was in a I am in a support area, so salary not that much. So that question in uh, keep surrounding in my minds. So I'll meet Piyush sir. After meeting him, he said, if you want do career in IT and you want good package, you should uh, train yourself in a Power BI and MSBI. So after that, I joined the institute, and I getting good knowledge from there, in MSBI and Power BI. Today, I'm working as a SQL developer in reputed company, and I got good package also. So I will recommend it to you. If you want if you want career in a MSBI and Power BI, you can join online IT solution. Thank you.